Is your 2021-2022 Toyota Mirai key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. This video guides you through replacing the HYQ14FLA remote battery yourself, saving you time and money. This DIY process is straightforward, safe, and won't void your warranty if done correctly. The HYQ14FLA key fob is standard for 2021-2022 Toyota Mirai models. It's a compact remote with buttons for locking, unlocking, panic alarm, and fuel cell system monitoring via app integration. If your fob looks like the one shown on screen, this guide is for you. Before you start, gather these essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Make sure the battery is new to avoid future issues. Anti-static protection, like a grounding mat, is recommended but not required. Begin by gently prying open the back cover of the key fob using your screwdriver or pry tool. Be careful not to force it, as the clips are delicate and can break easily. Once the cover is open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Take note of which side is positive, usually marked with a plus symbol or a raised edge. Now insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Make sure it's properly aligned in the battery compartment. Finally, reassemble the fob by snapping the back cover back into place. Ensure all clips are secure and the fob feels solid. When installing the new CR2032 battery, ensure correct polarity. The positive side must face up toward the circuit board. Reversing the battery can cause immediate damage to the fob's electronics. Static electricity poses a significant risk during battery replacement. A discharge can damage the fob's circuit board, requiring reprogramming by a Toyota dealer. Work on a non-carpeted surface or use an anti-static mat to ground yourself. After reassembly, test the fob's functionality by locking and unlocking the car remotely. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the battery is new and fully charged. If problems persist, consult your Toyota dealer. Avoid using excessive force when opening the fob, as this can crack the casing and potentially void warranty coverage. Only use the specified CR2032 battery type. Using incorrect batteries may lead to signal degradation. DIY is safe, but damage is not covered under warranty. Proper disposal of the old lithium battery is crucial. Take it to a recycling center to prevent environmental contamination, as lithium batteries contribute to vehicle e-waste if not handled correctly. Looking ahead, future key fobs may incorporate rechargeable batteries or energy harvesting technology, eliminating the need for frequent replacements. In the meantime, explore Toyota's MyT app for virtual key fob functions, providing convenient digital alternatives. Stay informed about advancements in key fob technology for a more sustainable future.